Hi there everyone, welcome back again to Engineering Pritam, and in this 82nd video on PTC Creo Parametric. As you know already, we are covering PTC Creo from zero. In this video, we will be talking about collapse feature, which is also the last tool in this editing group. This tool is used to simplify the feature-based model by converting them into a single features, effectively collapsing them. This is particularly useful when, let's say, we are working with a complicated model and you are preparing model to share it with, let's say, to third party, to your customer, to your vendor, and you do not want to share too much of information, okay? But at the same time, you are sharing the native data, okay? So what we can do here in that case, let's say these are some of the important features that you'd like to hide. You can select them and go here in editing and then click on collapse. Then you need to click on OK, and there we go, guys. We have collapsed all these features into one feature, so nobody can see how you formed or what are the equations or relations you have put on those features. So in this way you can hide the necessary information, despite you will still able to share the native file or data with third party. And it's not like you only would like to do this for sharing with others. Maybe you also want to make your model tree clutter free. That could also be the reason why you would like to combine those. But I would suggest you, for those kind of situation, you can actually use a group, because group is reversible, or you can anytime expand it. However, in case of collapse, once you saved it, it cannot be reversed. So make sure you keep this thing in mind. Once you are out of session, you may not able to reverse this. And sometimes it is useful in another way in case of complicated geometry. Let's say you have created 10 features. For example, you kept around in lot many features, and then when you combine all those rounds, the software need to regenerate only one feature instead of 10. So that's how also you can utilize it. So for example, I am putting several round here separately, or maybe I can choose it like this. And now if I select this all and can collapse, so let's say, as I said, I am sharing it with someone, and then model need to regenerate. Obviously this one is very simple, so it should not face any issue. But imagine, if it is a very complicated one, then in such scenario, let's say if regeneration fail, you can use this tool, and that way you're going to make or simplify your model and it won't fail. So in this way, guys, we can utilize this collapse tool. And the reason I deleted the surface and now created the solid model, because I also wanted to show you that this particular feature is not only applicable for surfacing but also for solid geometry. And that's also wrap up this video on collapse tool. I hope, guys, you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to Engineering Pritam to follow our complete PTC Creo Parametric series and other engineering related topics. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.